Yes. Now that is curl. Hey beautiful people, it's Angelica aka Angiebee and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how I got these nice soft bouncy waves. So if you guys would like to know the easy way, it literally takes me less than 10 minutes to get these nice soft waves in my hair. If you guys would like to see how I do it, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off by spraying on some heat protector. This is my favorite heat protector and like everybody's favorite heat protector from Tresemme. And I just spray this roughly all over my hair and throughout my hair, as you can see. And after I spray that evenly through, I will just take a white tooth comb and comb through my hair. It's very, very important to detangle your hair before you curl it, because if you have knots in your curls, if you decide to brush them out, then it's gonna kind of destroy the curls. And I'm sure you guys can tell that this is a wig. My hair is braided underneath, but these techniques work for real hair or synthetic hair as long as it's, can take heat. So I'm starting off by sectioning the back part of my hair, and for this I actually take pretty big sections. There's no need to take tiny sections. This actually took me slightly longer than usual because I was filming, and like everything just takes longer when you're filming. But I start by sectioning off the back, and then I just divide that into two. So every time I'm going to curl a piece, I will still go through and comb it again and then just brush through with this brush. And I'm using this John Frieda curling wand or curling iron. Yes, curling iron, and it goes up to 250 degrees Celsius. I think that is 450 Fahrenheit. So that's exactly how I curl it. I actually use the clip. You can also use this as like just a big wand and not use the clipping part, but I actually just recently learned how to do it properly with the clip, and I really like it. So as you can see, I'm curling the hair away from my face on both sides, and you guys can see this is the best to just watch than explain, because it's kind of hard to explain. So from now on I'm going to pretty much speed through most of the video, because I'm doing the exact same thing with every single piece of hair that you're going to see from here. So enjoy. I don't think I'm going to talk anymore. Just enjoy the music, because there's nothing more to explain. You guys can just watch. So as you can see, I'm actually rolling up the wand pretty high. The higher I go, at the bottom I roll it up like not too much because I don't want such a big curl. And then as I'm getting to the top, I start to roll the hair, as you can see, almost all the way to the track. And then when we get to the front piece of the hair again, I will kind of do like halfway up. And don't worry if your wig is not secure like mine at the point when you're curling it, because it's gonna kind of move around a little bit. You can't really control that, so keep all the securing the wig stuff to the end.
Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations, cause I don't need nothing else but you. Come and see me for once, come and see me for once, you don't come to me.
So as you can see, when I'm twisting the hair out, like when I'm taking it down, I kind of leave a little space in between before I drop it. And I can't exactly explain why I do that. I just think I like how the curl comes out when I do it. I just can't say exactly what it does because I'm not sure. But you guys can see as I take it down, I sort of leave a gap and then I drop it. So now that we've reached the front, we are curling the hair from another direction towards our face, not away from our face. And this is because I want this front hair to kind of come more towards my face. And that's why I wrap this part towards my face. So that is the last piece. Okay, so my hair has been sitting for just over 10 minutes and this is what it's looking like. And you know, when you move it, it should have like some crazy movement, like so. Then you know you're in the right place. Now, if there is anything I hate more, it is curls that are not brushed out. So if you like the look just to have like big voluptuous curls, you can leave it like this, and maybe you could even curl the hair a little higher than I did if that's what you want. I really don't like this look. I like to leave my curls for about 10 minutes to cool down nicely, and then I will brush them out, and then that's the look that I really like. So we're going to use the same comb we're using to sort of detangle the hair, and we're just going to start combing out the curls from the ends to the beginnings, and it just makes them bounce to life. Can you see that already? Can you see how that's popping up already? Just creates instant volume. So I might curl this part a little bit more in, which you understand while I'm doing it. By the way, I did make this wig myself and I colored it myself. So if you guys ever want a tutorial coloring or making a wig, then let me know and I will definitely make one. Okay, now we're done. Just need to leave this to sort of cool for a couple seconds, which I'm just gonna do this because time. So that is done. Time to brush out the curls. Yes. Now that is curl. Say you could do this kind of look if you want, which looks really, you know, mysterious, sexy. Or you could brush it up, which is the style that I prefer most days. Okay, so now we're basically done. What I do if I want to get just a little bit more volume is I just put my hands inside my hair and kind of shake up the roots a little bit. And if this isn't your real hair like me, then you're shaking up the tracks. And it just gives the hair a little bit of volume. Don't worry, I'm not crazy. I'm not gonna leave it like this. You do that and then you kind of just comb over the top. If you like this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if you didn't subscribe in the beginning. Comment in the comment section below whatever video suggestions you'd like to see. Also, all the products that I used, which are like not many, are listed in the description box below. So if you guys would like to see the makeup tutorial on this soft, glowy, you know, yoga skin, then just check the description box below, as well as the eye on top here. I'm sure I'm going to link it at some point in the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!